On November 9, 2020, the Headquarters and Headquarters Service Battalion was deactivated by virtue of the HPA General Order No. 859. The 7th Installation Management Battalion, Installation Management Command Philippine Army was created to assume the base support function and camp administrator function of Fort Magsaysay Military Reservation under the leadership of Major Jonathan Zulweta, Infantry Philippine Army as acting commander officer. On February 12, 2021, the leadership of 7 IMB was subsequently turned over to Colonel Emerito Pineda, General Staff Corps, Corps of Engineer, Philippine Army as a new commander. This year, the unit made significant accomplishments on the following. Band Company conducted services for military ceremonies and recreational activities which immensely contributed to the conduct of civil-military operations, thus gained stronger relationship between the military and the civilian populace within the area of responsibility. Military Police Company maintained security in 7th Infantry Division and provided general military police support. Post Engineering Detachment or PED provided facilities management and engineering services to the enhancement of pistol range facility, enhancement of triage facility at Fort Magsaysay Army Station Hospital, and installation of quarantine facilities at South Barracks. Division Real Estate Office or 7 REO made successful implementation of the bamboo plantation project. The main grid team was able to plant at least 30,000 varied bamboo seedlings from September 2020 to September 2021. More or less 1,000 hectares were used for the plantation, whereas the identified 20 hectares in Barangay Nazareth General Tino Nueva Ecija inside Fort Magsaysay Military Reservation is now recovered and no longer vulnerable to illegal settlers. Moral and Welfare Recreational Center conducted physical fitness tests to 59 officers, 300 enlisted personnel, and 1,837 candidate soldiers from different Philippine Army major units inside Fort Magsaysay, Palayan City, Nueva Ecija. Due to exemplary leadership of Colonel Pineda and teamwork displayed by the personnel of 7 IMB, the battalion was hailed as Best Battalion in the whole income Philippine Army. Congratulations and mabuhay 7 IMB troopers!
All the members of 7 Installation Management Battalion, Installation Management Command, Philippine Army, we would like to greet every one of you. Happy first founding anniversary celebration! Mabuhay ang 7 IMB! Mabuhay!
From officer and enlisted personnel of Military Police Company, kami po ay pusong bumabati ng anniversary. Bilis sa NIT! Keep up the good work! Mabuhay tayo lahat! Let's go! Happy first anniversary! 7 Installation Management Battalion from Post Engineering Detachment. Mabuhay!
7 IMB troopers sa 7 Coral Welfare Administration Center ay taus-puso ng nag-iisa ang isang taong anibersaryo ng ating pagkakakata bilang 7 Installation Management Battalion, Installation Management Command, Philippine Army. Mabuhay ang 7 IMB! Ahu! Ahu! Ahu!
7IMB will continue pursuing the base system and support development by developing strategic bases and optimizing utilization of military reservation, establishing an Army installation management system to systematize the establishment, maintenance, and management of Army installation, and developing a real estate assets management system to effectively and efficiently manage the assets and properties of the Army.